How to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. So first of all, open your Lazada app, and once you've opened your app you'll be redirected to the home page. And after that you'll be able to see this account icon at the bottom right of your screen, like over here. So just click on this your account icon. And now here, keep on scrolling down until you find this option which is called My Lazada Wallet. And if you have Lazada coins, you can withdraw using this wallet. So click on View. And here, I don't have any Lazada coin right now. But if you do have Lazada coin in your Lazada app, you can convert that into your Lazada wallet. So you can even track your transactions from over here. Like there are different payment options over here, and also vouchers and other mobile top up, and you can even track your transaction history from here. So if you do have Lazada coins, you'll get an option of converting that into Lazada wallet over here. After converting that, you can withdraw it into your bank. So it's pretty easy. So that was how you can convert your Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.